The Rikon 50-161VS variable speed belt and disc sander is a compact yet powerful tool suitable for light-duty use, particularly for small craft projects like home decorations, jewelry making, toy construction, doll furniture, and repair work. With its 1-inch and 30-inch sanding belt and 6-inch PSA sanding disc, it offers versatility and efficiency. Assembly of the sander is straightforward, contrary to some reviews claiming otherwise. It took me just 10 minutes to set it up properly, and the included Allen wrench facilitated the process. The belt tracking knob worked smoothly for me, ensuring proper belt alignment without any hassle. One of the standout features is its variable speed control, which provides enhanced precision, especially for tasks like knife making. The ability to adjust speeds between 1909 and 3248 SFPM for the belt and 2000 to 3400 RPM for the disc allows for tailored sanding performance based on material and project requirements. In terms of performance, the sander exceeded expectations. It handled knife shaping and profiling with ease, thanks to its sturdy construction and minimal vibration. Despite its compact size, it didn't bog down under pressure, showcasing ample power for various tasks. The included sandpaper, while functional, may be too coarse for some applications, prompting the need for additional higher grit options. Additionally, swapping out the PSA sanding disc for a hook and loop conversion pad for compatibility with different sandpaper types was a simple process and enhanced versatility. The dust collection system proved effective, though requiring manual switching between belt and disc ports. However, the provided adapter facilitated this process, ensuring efficient cleanup during operation. Overall, the Rikon 50-161VS variable speed belt disc sander offers a compelling balance between functionality and affordability. Its robust performance, ease of assembly, variable speed control, and compatibility with various sandpaper types make it a valuable addition to any workshop, particularly for hobbyists and craftsmen engaged in small-scale projects.